Hi guys, just want to share it with you how I do my wraps, raw wraps basically. I do them in dehydrator. So first of all, I blend one or two bananas. I like sweet. I always like sweet, so I go for sweetness. And obviously spinach. I put some flax seeds, which are actually blended, so they've got more oils. Chia seeds. Um, and dates. I'm trying to think. Dates for sweetness as well. And I did add some sunflower seeds to make it more creamy and again give you good oils. So basically blend it all, put it in the mixer. I can't fit it all in one go. So what I do some. And when I do it, I add a little bit of tea. I have herbal tea I make every single day. So I just put a bit of tea because it will not blend to liquid another way. I need something. You can put water if you don't have tea, basically. Yeah, and blend it on full. Let's have a look. And then I add some more. And then I add a little bit more flax seeds. All the stuff I said. Sunflower seeds, just a handful, 2 handfuls, okay? It's just, you have to know later the texture. Chia seeds added. I put 4 dates. 3 is more than enough, I would say, but 4 for my sweet tooth. And more banana. And more spinach. Listen, it doesn't have to be spinach. It can be kale. I just like the spinach because it's organic. I managed to get organic. I don't get organic kale, but kale is good as well. Okay, so the next thing, I always like to taste it if I like it because that's important. You're going to obviously later eat it. And if you have dehydrated, you will know. The one I use, it's called Excalibur. I will tell you later. You will see. I'm not very good with pronunciation. So I normally, if it's quite liquidy, I will actually normally pour it and put my mat to each side, and it just spreads itself nice circle. But sometimes it doesn't because it's thick. So you can add water to make it more runny. I used actually spatula just to make it nice and round. And I did 9, I think not 9, sorry. I did about 8, 7 or 8 the wraps. And I have to tell you, they went in one day. Because I had a barbecue on Sunday and we share with friends. So we put it in dehydrator for 114 Fahrenheit, which is exactly 45 degrees. And that's after about 8 hours, I had it in dehydrator. It becomes quite flexible, you can see. And I'm just showing you now here what I put inside, but that's not the point. The point was showing you the how to do the mat. So I just fill it in here with zucchini, some sauce. I will do another video about it, a bit of salt, and I wrap it up, and it's absolutely super delicious. To make a wrap, it takes, I'm not joking, it takes probably 12 hours. So I put on 114 Fahrenheit, which is 45 degrees, for 8 hours. Then come back, I needed another hour. Then I peeled it and I flipped to another side and did another couple hours. That's it. And it's so flexible, so delicious. If you've got one, you've got to, it is super amazing. You have to have it. Okay, and here we are, just showing you. I'll probably show you how I was eating it. Really, really, really nice. I cannot tell you how good it is. And it's so, so good for you. So here, the wraps are finished. And it's very fulfilling, I tell you. I'm very full after having one.
I will show
So here, of course, I've got to show you how I was eating it. So when I did barbecue, we had a few I made with different fillings and absolutely disappeared from the table. It went very fast. Everybody loved it and could not believe it's considered raw. because at 45 degrees, it's like nature for a long time, you know, dehydrating. So you don't kill anything in there. And here, just want to show you my dehydrator. It is one of the best. Before I bought it, I really did go and try to find the best one. So you can see it is really, really good. I recommend it. Thank you for watching.